Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to rank in Excel. Let us begin. In first step, click on the cell in which you want your result to appear. I will go for C2, write equal, and then add this formula, rank, select the cell, Alexa's grade, type comma, and select the numbers that you want to compare. Add $sign here by pressing F4. If F4 doesn't work, you can add it manually here as well. Add comma. Here we have two options, descending, ascending. If we choose descending, the highest grade will be number 1 and the lowest will mark as the last. Unlikely, if we choose ascending, the lowest grade will be number 1 and the highest number will mark as the last. We will go for descending, close the bracket, enter. Now if you want to copy the formula to the rest of the cells, simply click on here and drag it down. As we have chosen descending, the highest grade is number 1 and the lowest is the last. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.